Hello everyone, this is Anu again and I'm back in Varun's kitchen. Today we are making a basic recipe of a tomato sauce which is used for a pizza. Now this is different from a pasta sauce and you will know very soon why is it different. What I like to do with my tomatoes is remove the skin before I use them for the sauce. A lot of people like to boil them, which is perfectly fine. You can boil them and remove the skin. But what makes my recipe different is that I score my tomatoes on top. I put a cross on it at the top and then another cross at the bottom. And these I'm going to roast on a flame. When I roast them, the skin will peel off, and not only that, it will get an amazing roasted flavor. Let's get started and put these on the flame. Can you hear the tomatoes whistling? There's the moisture coming out and the skin is getting pulled back, and very quickly it'll become nice and brown. And as you can see, the skin comes off pretty easily. Now that all the tomatoes have been peeled and chopped, as you can see, I'm only chopping them roughly because I don't want a very fine puree. What I'm going to do is just give it a mix for a few seconds. Now that our tomatoes are blended, we are going to start cooking them. And I have some hot olive oil in which I am going to toss in my chopped garlic. I'm using a lot of chopped garlic because I like the flavor of that. You can reduce it, but here are about 3 tablespoons of garlic in there. At this point, I'm going to season my tomato sauce. I'm putting just a spoon of salt, not too much, and then goes in the oregano. I like to put paprika in our tomato sauce. You can use chili flakes, you can use green chilies if you like, and we're going to wait till the sauce thickens. It starts leaving the sides very soon. I'm going to cook it for just about 2 to 3 minutes. Now while this is simmering, I'm going to put in my final and main ingredient, which is fresh basil from our garden. But if you don't have fresh basil, for sure you can put powdered basil. And we will cook this further. We will thicken it for just another 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it covered and we'll be back. Okay, here's what it looks like after it has cooked through. You can see all the oil has separated, yeah? And our sauce has thickened. If you noticed, I only pureed it for a few seconds, not even a minute, because I wanted chunks of tomato in there, and that's what gives it that amazing thick flavor and texture. Once it is cooled, we're going to put it in a jar and you can refrigerate it for 3 to 4 days. If you want to freeze it, this is perfect for freezing because it can be used later on. It tastes amazing when it's used a day later because all the flavors get infused. Now, last thing that I'm going to do is going to add some freshly ground pepper in it. Just a tad bit. And to kick it up a notch, just a bit more paprika here. So our yummy pizza sauce is ready, and I know the kids can't wait to have pizza. I hope you try this recipe and do let me know how it turned out for you. I look forward to hearing from you and we will see you next time. Bye bye.